Hey YouTube, how we doing? Well, a little bit ago, we rolled out, our BK-16 that's going to be our shop blade. Now, as you may remember in that video, I promised you I was going to keep you updated on every step of the process. Well, here's step 2. As you can see, there's scales. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to get right into it. Okay guys, thank you for staying with us here, and as I told you right in that intro, and if you didn't see it in the title, we're going to take a look at the upgraded scales on my BK-16. Now, the two you see right down here are the ones that came stock with the blade. They gave you a black, and they gave you a brownish desert tan looking thing. Now, if you missed the original video, we're going to try to link a card up here. That way you can go back and see everything we're trying to do. Not to mention, in that video that was right up there, there's going to be a special promotion at the end of that video. So make sure you take a look at it. Okay, now as I said, those were the stock scales. I took a look at one thing that lots of people were suggesting, and let's pan out here, is the Wilson, tennis ball racket tape. Okay, found it at my local Walmart, kind of cheap, and I like the fact that they put this little swatch up here. That way you can kind of feel it, and you can kind of see exactly what it's going to feel like. But I'll be honest with you, and oh yeah, for those of you wondering, there's your instructions on the back. Really, really simple. Put it on, wrap it around, snip it off, you're good. I really didn't want to hold the blade with a bunch of tape running around it. The reason I went against these black Zytel little plastic thingies, they're really slick and there's really no grip on it. So if your hands get wet when you're out in the bush, there's going to be a problem. There's going to be a massive problem. So I did a little looking on Amazon, and I'll be honest with you, I put in Becker K-Bar BK-16, and after a bunch of stuff and scrolling through, it got to scales. And I saw some micarta scales. I went, okay, let me take a look. What I'm about to show you cost me $36.99, and they're made by an incredible company called Tomar's K-Bar. Well, that's these guys. I'll be honest with you, I like the fact when I take a look at it, it looks like it's wood. Just the way the grains are in it. I thought that was phenomenal. I thought it really added something to what I was trying to do with an overall look of the blade. When I ordered these, they were supposed to be green. When I took a picture and sent it, I was like, what the heck, guys? And they're like, no, that's our green. It does not look green to me. It looks more of a desert tan color, which I'm okay with because it seriously fits an overall feel. And yeah, I added a little snake knot lanyard down below because I'm going to try to carry this scout carry, and it's going to be something easier to kind of guide me in and pull. I like the way it looks. I'll be honest with you. I've gotten it soaking wet, and my hand really sticks to it a lot. Everything was done perfectly. I didn't have to send them the blade. They had scales that were ready to go. I think this will fit like the 15, 16, and 17, I believe they said. But there it is, as I promised, my first follow-up video on this. This is, well, I'm not even sure what I'm going to call her. We'll give it a name later on, but there's the scales. I want to know what you think down below. Leave your questions, comments, whatever. You know, I always value your input. If you are a first-time viewer of the channel, well, you picked a heck of a one to turn into for the very first time. You should be seeing a company logo popping up right over here. Please go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you click on that little subscribe thing, click on the bell icon that's right nearby it. That way you'll be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Speaking of videos, you're going to see two over here. Those are ones that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a good viewing experience for you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I know it wasn't anything earth-shattering. I just wanted to reveal it. Here's the first major modification, well, I should say second major modification. As you know, that was the first to my BK-16. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.